Then, right ankle up. Left knee put your cheek on the gut. No, you want that higher on your shoulder?